Aster Basics. Hi kids! Welcome to Aster Basics. Today, we're going to learn how to identify some amazing farm animals. We'll show you pictures of these animals and tell you what they're called. Are you ready? Let's get started. Chicken. Here's a chicken. Can you say chicken? Rooster. This is a rooster. Can you say rooster? Cow. This is a cow. Can you say cow? Buffalo. Here's a buffalo. Can you say buffalo? Sheep. Look at this fluffy sheep. Can you say sheep? Goat. This is a goat. Can you say goat? Horse. This is a horse. Can you say horse? Camel. Here's a camel. Can you say camel? Fish. Look at these fish. Can you say fish? Turkey. This is a turkey. Can you say turkey? Pig. Here's a pig. Can you say pig? Goose. This is a goose. Can you say goose? Duck. Here's a duck. Can you say duck? Ostrich. This is an ostrich. Can you say ostrich? Bee. Look at the bees. Can you say bee? Bull. This is a bull. Can you say bull? Ox. Here's an ox. Can you say ox? Emu. This is an emu. Can you say emu? Rabbit. Look at this rabbit. Can you say rabbit? Donkey. Here's a donkey. Can you say donkey? Alpaca. This is an alpaca. Can you say alpaca? Llama. Here's a llama. Can you say llama? Reindeer. This is a reindeer. Can you say reindeer? Quail. Here's a quail. Can you say quail? Yak. This is a yak. Can you say yak? Wasn't that fun? Now you know how to identify so many farm animals. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun videos. Bye for now.